Do you ever find yourself in a situation like this one, when you're stuck in a major traffic jam and you know you won't make it to college or to the office for a meeting on time, even though you really need that 1 hour of attendance, or that meeting is with your bosses and you just can't afford to be late? If that sounds familiar, make sure you watch this video till the end, because not only are we going to discuss some real life stressful situations that you might face, but we are also going to talk about some hacks that you can use for instant stress relief for almost every situation. Hi guys, my name is Yash and my goal is to help you level up in life and become a better version of yourself. Imagine holding a cup of tea for 2 minutes. No problem, right? Now imagine you held this same cup for an hour. Your arm would probably ache a little, but you'd be okay. Now imagine you held this cup all day. Your arm would be destroyed. It's not my cup of tea. Now in these 3 examples, the load on your arm was the same. It's the amount of time that differed. Similarly, if we hold on to stress for too long, it can have a dramatic effect. Same way, if we think about being stuck in that traffic jam, where we know that we won't be able to make it to college or to that meeting on time, all we really do is get stressed and let that stress build up. Even when we know we can't smash our way through the traffic, our urges scream for us to take action, but we know we can't. The question is, what can we do about it? We can make it a lot easier by just accepting the situation as it is and instead thinking of alternatives. No, I'm not suggesting you call your friend and ask for proxy. Or if we are talking about being late to that important meeting at work, what's the best we can do about it? Pause the video and think of it. I want you to put your brains into it. We can call our boss and tell her why we will be late. And instead of blaming the traffic, just promise to her, tell her that we won't repeat this. And be sure to abide by it and make sure this isn't repeated. We can't change the past, but we can definitely be prepared for the future. Your boss will probably be mad at you at that point of time, but you can deal with it in a very good way. And right here there's a card that will lead you to a video where I've explained exactly how you can make the best out of this situation and even improve your relationship with the boss. Accepting the situation for how it is will neutralize the stress and you will feel better instantly. Similarly, different things work for different situations. As I won't be able to list out all the stressful situations that you might find yourself in, let me give you a few hacks that you can use for instant stress relief, and these work in almost every stressful situation. Different things work for different people, so you'll have to figure out which one of these hacks works best for you, and then you have to consciously utilize it whenever you are in a stressful situation. Number 1, meditation. Meditation has been scientifically proven to be a great stress reliever, but if that's not your cup of tea, don't worry, we have other hacks that you can utilize. Number 2, get a hug from a loved one. Physical touch can do a lot to relieve our stress. It releases feel-good hormones in our body. Even shaking hands with someone or tapping someone's shoulder, it all feels good. But hugging a loved one can be especially beneficial. Number 3, take a walk. This one's especially useful for you working professionals. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever that can work in minutes. You can even just take a walk. Taking a walk allows you to enjoy a change of scenery, which can get you in a completely different state of mind. Whether you just need to take a stroll around the office, to take a break from a frustrating task, or maybe you want to go to the park for a walk every evening after work, walking is a simple but effective way to rejuvenate your mind and body. Number 4, chewing gum. Eating something has been proven to work for stress relief. That is why a lot of people stress eat. Chewing gum is just as effective. Me personally, I'm not a fan of chewing gum, but it's way better than stress eating. So if this works for you, then why not? I've heard that chewing gum also sharpens your jawline. Now, other than using these hacks, to have a generally stress-free life, find the humor in everyday life, spend time with friends who are funny, or watch funny movies more often, especially when you're stressed. It's hard to feel anxious when you're laughing. Hey, we have reached the end of this video, but don't go away yet. I want to thank you for sticking around and watching this video till the end. If you generally enjoyed this video, don't be shy. Please hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button twice just to be sure. And tell me why in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Please make sure all the notifications are turned on. With all that being said, I hope you have a wonderful week ahead and let's level up together.